Right now guys, we are driving at Don Mariano Santos Avenue, going to The Grove at Havilah Township, Angono Rizal.
Kabahay, I'm Agent J from MFR Real Estate Corporation. Today, January 2025, I'm in the Grove at Havilah Township, Angono Rizal. Tara, update tayo. So tara mga kabahay, let's start our walk tour in the Grove at Havilah Township, Angono Rizal.
So tara mga kabahay, let's start our walk tour in The Grove at Havilah Township, Angono Rizal. So mag-start tayo sa may main gate sa phase 1 ng The Grove. And this is the main highway naman ng The Grove leading to the amenity area that's shared with Forest Farm. So these two houses are sold na and na-develop na ng mga owner nila. So dito po mag-start ang phase 2 ng The Grove. So on my left is Chupan model and sa right ko naman ay ang Rossini model na under construction. So for the info mga kabahay, yung Chupan is the available house model for phase 2 ng The Grove. So let's continue our walk. So yan mga kabahay, nasa phase 2 na tayo. Sa right ko ay ang block 1 and sa left ko naman ay block 3. So for block 1 mga kabahay, ang available ay mga house and lot package and residential lot only. It's facing south and perimeter lot kasi ang likod niya is Don Mariano Santos Avenue. The terrain is gently sloping. So yung average lot cut for house and lot package in block 1 is from 329 to 376 square meter. For residential lot naman is from 329 to 348 square meter. And yung average frontage naman is 14 meters. So ang block 1 is facing block 3. So yan, continue tayo sa walk tour natin. So this is block 3 mga kabahay. So yung available sa side niyan is mga residential lot only. It's facing north and south. It's gently sloping and ang available are house and lot package and residential lot only. Typical lot cut is from 329 square meter to 500 square meter. So we are approaching block 2 mga kabahay. So for block 2, ang terrain is slightly downhill. It's facing east and ang available are 7 units ng residential lot only. Typical lot cut is from 292 square meter. So again, let's continue our walk tour. So yan mga kabay, kung napapansin nyo, may parang naglalandeb doon sa unahan. Yan po yung phase 2 ng Forest Farm. So malapit na mag-open yan and ang average lot cut dyan is nasa 500 square meter and up. And now we are going to block 5. So sa block 5, nandyan po yung pinakamalaking lot cut natin. Block 5 is facing north, east, and west. Ang terrain is moderately downhill. 5 lots ang available and ang average lot cut is nasa 500 square meter. So yan naman po yung block 3. So yan po yung the other half nung facing block 1 kanina. So yung available dyan is mga house and lot package. So yung typical lot cut natin is nasa 329 up to 500 square meter. So let's continue our walk tour mga kabahay. Going to block 4. So sa harap is makikita nyo yung 2 house and lot package namin na almost complete na or even tapos na. Sa right ko is block 5 and yan, malapit na tayo sa block 4. And we've arrived sa block 4 mga kabahay. For block 4 naman, it's facing north. Ang terrain is extremely downhill. 3 lots ang available. Ang typical lot cut is from 317, 351, and 413 square meter. So, ang block 4 mga kabahay is ideal sa mga client or buyer na naghahanap ng secluded area sa The Grove Phase 2. So, magkaharap sila ng Phase 5. So, yan. Babalik na tayo. So, yan. Halos naikot na natin ang Phase 2. So yan po yung kaninang sinasabi ko na dalawang house and lot package na tapos na pala. So ang yellow is Chupan and yung orange naman is yung Rossini model. So dyan na po nagtatapos ang ating walk tour, mga kabahay.
So yun guys, welcome back. Again, I'm Agent J from MF4 Real Estate Corporation and in-house lead broker of Pilin Basland. Today, I'm in the Grove at Havila Angono, Rizal. Kanina, nag-walk tour tayo sa Phase 2. Pinakita ko sa inyo yung available namin ng mga residential lot offerings and house and lot package. And if you're interested, please contact me on my CP number at 0929-705-6363. Thank you for watching. Bye and God bless.